Hello everyone. Let's start 2025 asked question based on current electricity. The current question says that there are four resistors 1, 2, 3, 4. Their values also given 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So they are connected like whetstone bridge, but it is not balanced whetstone bridge that you have to check. So it is given like this 1, 2, 3, 4 in the form of wheatstone bridge. One of the diagonal is applied 50 volts EMF potential difference. So across the AB it is applied for. Then what is asking? Find the current through the branch CD. CD. What is the current through CD? See that question. It takes at least as much as fast you are, it will take at least 3 to 4 minutes to solve. So such a questions easily you cannot solve in the Neet. So what you supposed to do? You need practice. You should have mathematical ability. First of all, you have to improve mathematical ability. Then only you can adding, subtraction, taking LCM and solving immediately reciprocaling and all those things. So see here how it will be done. So finally, what is this? This is not the Wheatstone bridge. If it is not the Wheatstone bridge, what it will be? This and this parallel, this and this parallel. So 1 and 3 parallel, 2 and 4 parallel. So first you need to do parallel. Parallel, what is the equation? 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That is what 1 by 1, 1 by 3, 3 LCM, you will get 4 by 3. So reciprocal, because 1 by R1 equal to 4 by 3, R1 will be 3 by 4. Similarly, here also you take 1 by R2. R2 means this loop. R1 is this loop. So in this resistance, how much it will be? 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So 4 is LCM. Then you will get here 3 by 4. Right? Here 3 by 4 reciprocal will become 4 by 3. They are not same values. So bridge is not balanced. Then what is the current going through it? Because current going through it is, we have taken I. I is how much? It will be V by R net. R net means total resistance of this network. Total resistance is how much? It will be this plus this, because this will become one. This will become one resistor. This will become one resistor. Then you will be getting the net resistances. Both you add in series. If it is series, just 3 by 4, 4 by 3. Take LCM, you will get 9 plus 16. So 9 plus 16 by 12. So 50 into 12 by 25 reciprocal, you will get this. So by solving this, you will get 24. Now you check it. Very interesting here. Current, how much is going from the battery I? We don't know how much it is. Now we calculated it is 24. Now 24 amperes, when it is entering to the junction A, what happens? There are two lines. One is going I1, let us assume. The other one, you assume it I2. These values will not be given. You have to do yourself. So the current sending is I, and it's split over here using the junction rule. Current entering is equal to sum of the current entering is equal to sum of the current leaving. So here leaving will be I1 plus I2. So then when I1 is coming over to the junction C, let us assume once again this I3 is going through CD, which we need to find. Which we need to find is what is the current is going through CD. So what is the current going through CD? How you will get? I will help you. So this is the current I3 if you take. Then what will be the current in the 2 ohms? This I1 is coming to junction. I3 gone here. Then remaining current will be I1. I3 will go through to ohms resistance. Then when it is reached here, I3, this current is I2 is reached, all will go through this resistance, I2 plus I3. So what is the current in 4 ohms? I2 plus I3. When this I2 plus I3 reaching here at B and I1 minus I3 when it is reaching here, then current going, sum of the current entering will become this plus this and leaving will be how much it will be. Then when you add, you will get this. So how much current will be going through this back? Again, same current of I. Why? Because you just see this and this you add, those current will go I1 plus I2, I1 plus I2 will become I. So that means our distribution of current, what you have done is correct. So then what else you have to do to find this current? Actually, what is asking? You are given 4 options over here: 2.5, 3, 1.5, and 2. Which is correct? You should know. So which is correct? How you know? You can't imagine. Na? You have to solve it. So how to solve? Once you need to take Kirchhoff's second rule. According to Kirchhoff's second rule, potential rise is equal to potential sum of the potential rise and potential drop is equal to 0. Okay, that you can take it. So potential rise will be when we are entering through opposite direction. Potential drop when it is going through the loop. That is what you have to see. So now I am applying through ACD. Which is ACD? A, C, D, A. This is one loop. Another loop is what it is? C, P, D, C. First loop, when I apply, what happened? We are going from 1 ohm, then C to D, D to. So first loop, when I am applying here, what you will get? We are going along the current. So it will become minus 1 I1. So potential drop. So then again, when you are reaching to the D, you are going through 3. So 3 is current is coming opposite to. So potential rise. Potential rise will become positive. Potential drop will become negative. Potential means what? Product of resistance and current. Here resistance of current, here resistance of current, you will get equal to 0. There is no EMF across. So just in the loop, only resistance and currents are there. There is no EMF, no batteries connected. So nothing to worry. So when you apply this, what you will get? I1 is equal to, because this is a minus sign. Minus 1, if you send it there, it will become I1. I1 equal to 3 I2. Okay. I1 is what it is. Right. Then we know it. I is equal to I1 plus I2. Right. So in case of when you take it, this is how much it will become 3I. In place of this, it will become 4I. 4I will be 24. Then it will become 6 amperes. Here you just concentrate. So I1 plus I2 is I. So next what you have to do, I1 is equal to what happened? I minus I2. When you take I minus I2, just I minus I2, if you take, what you will get here? First we calculated 24, you take it, because I is equal to 24. 3I1 plus I2, because I1 is equal to 3I2. So very simple here, you can see here. I1 plus I2 is equal to I. Correct? Then next what you have to do, I1 is equal to 3I2. So I1 place you have to put it is as 3I2. Okay? Then I2 as it is. I is how much you calculated? 24. That 24 you put it. Then you will solve it, you will get 6 amperes. Hope you understood. The little confusion is there. Just to see so many currents are there. I1 is there, I2 is there, I is there, I3 is there. So don't be confused. Slowly if you proceed, you can reach to I2. I2 is 6. Now what we actually we need I3. So this one loop will not be enough. Then again you have to take another loop. Another loop means what? Starts from C, B, D, C. This is the loop. Applying what it is C to B. C to B, you are going in the direction of current. In the direction of current will become minus 2, and the current is I1 minus I3, right? I think it is clear. Then what we need here, it will become plus, therefore against the current you are coming, plus sign is equal to 0. There is no potential drop or potential rise by EMF, nothing is there. So it is equal to 0. Algebraic sum of the potential changes across the loop is equal to 0. So that is potential rise, potential drop is equal to 0. That is the Kirchhoff's second rule, right? Hope you understood this. Then you are coming here solving this. It is simply mathematics. So just open it, you will get this, right? Then you submit it. What is I1? 3 I2, right? And 2 I3. Fine. So you will get here I1 plus 3 I2 submitted. Then I3, here I3. 2 plus 4 will become 6 I3. Then remaining 4 I2 is equal to 0. Then finally what you will get? 2 into 3 minus 6 I2. Then you will get 4 I2 plus 6 I3 equal to 0. So I2. So this is a minus 6 plus 4, it will become minus 2 plus 6 I3. I2 is how much? It will be this. So 6. 2 into 6 is 12, right? 6 I3 is equal to 0. So when this minus it is going the other side, it will be 6 I3 equal to 12. I3 is 2 amperes. 12 by 6 will come. So that is the way you have to do, children. And NEET examination, when you want to clear, physics is the one of the important subject, and mostly a lot of syllabus is there. And that syllabus from the beginning, from the class 11th onwards, if you are going to start 11th clearly, and then also 12th clearly, if you put it all the formulas together and such a networks when you solve, I think you will be easily clear the NEET and you will be getting very good rank. Hope you understood this. If you are understood the content, subscribe my channel. This is the YouTube channel KVS Hyderabad. At the rate of KVS Hyderabad, you just type, you will get. This is my number for further 6281 622042. That is the number. Any clarification, free of cost, I am going to help you. Thank you, children.